Recently, in talking to a client, he had spoken with a lawyer previously that on a basic Title VII claim, race discrimination claim, they were going to go sue an employer for $2.5 million because someone called him an expletive and he was still employed there. I immediately looked at the client and, of course, without bad-mouthing another attorney, I advised him quickly that he had come to the right place, because any experienced lawyer in that type of law would know you're probably not going to sue someone for $2.5 million for just an expletive that you've been called based on race. In fact, the law restricts it. They have what we call caps. You can only pursue claims up to a certain amount. Generally, the threshold for most EEOC claims, and this is just abroad, there are some exceptions. As far as compensatory damages are concerned, it's $300,000 generally is the caps if that person has the max number of employees under the law. The fewer the employees, the lower the caps. And again, there's an analysis that goes into that, but generally the caps is $300,000 generally for compensatory damages. Now, of course, there's special damages and punitive damages and other things that weigh into it. But in most cases, when you see, and a lot of people get excited because they see EEOC sues XYZ employer and gets $4.5 million. Well, 9 times out of 10, that wasn't for one person. It was for a class of people, dozens and dozens and dozens of people. Whatever those damages were split up between numerous parties. But there are caps that are on every case that comes before the EEOC, and a lawyer will sit down with you, discover with you what those caps are, where they feel your case fit within those caps, how much damage. Remember, it's compensatory damage. It's make whole relief. It's not get rich relief. It's make whole relief. And then sometimes if the matter proceeds to court, the judge, the jury can award punitive damages considering on the egregiousness of the crime. But again, you would want to sit with a lawyer. These are not things that you would want to try to deal with on your own. You would want to sit with a lawyer and let them walk you through the process. They pretty much know, based on precedent and history and case research, how, and they will assign a value to your case as to how much they are pursuing. So I would certainly urge you to sit and talk with an experienced employment lawyer to help you determine the value and what you should be pursuing in your case.